Now, some taxi drivers in Nyanga is feeling a bit relieved. I'm going to tell you why. One of the most wanted men has made his first appearance this week, and that is Vuyo Wethu, also known as Yeshu. This guy is a note of hitman. Now what I mean by this is super fearless. And what he does is, if you do not pay the extortion money, he will unalive you. Second to that, if taxi drivers are having a meeting and one of the taxi drivers need to be addressed in a way of being unalived, you will go to the meeting and he will shoot you. Okay? Second to that, he will set taxis alight in Nyanga. While patrol is on their way, he would shoot on them. This is the fearless attitude this guy has. So some Nyanga taxi drivers are feeling a bit relieved that he's finally facing his doings, allegedly.